Welcome back to my channel. This is the first installment of a new segment that I'm going to be calling Money Mondays. And today I'm going to be talking about credit restoration. I recently joined the UWE, which is United Wealth Education, which makes me an ultimate wealth educator. So I would like to talk to you about that a little bit today. So this is an opportunity for people to earn an income or just be a customer and utilize this great service that we provide for restoring credit. There's no obligation for you to become an agent like I am, but if you do want to partner with me, this is an opportunity to earn a commission by recruiting more agents to use the service as well as more customers. And as long as they remain agents and customers, you get a commission and it's paid out every week. So you don't have to wait till the end of the month or end of the quarter. You do get paid weekly. So that's pretty nice. The number one reason for a loan rejection or a line of credit rejection is your credit score. If your credit score does not begin with a 6, a 7, or an 8, your possibilities and likelihood of getting a loan approval are low. And that loan amount that you may need for your new home or car, it's more likely to be denied if it's less than a 600. And of course, that 700, 800 credit score is like the sweet spot for most lenders. Your credit does affect a lot, and it might be more than you think, because your credit score does affect your interest rates on your loans, the possibility of even getting one, your insurance amount, even your insurance rates are also determined not just by how good of a driver you are, but also by your credit score. Rental eligibility. Nowadays, a lot of apartments or landlords that want you to have at least a 600 credit score for approval for rental. And it can even affect your employment. Some people do look at a credit score before they determine whether or not they are going to hire you, depending on where you're applying to work. So do you even know what your credit score is? Well, once you enroll in our services, you'll automatically know what your credit score is. And then you can set up a goal to reach in order to obtain that desired credit score, and it'll show you steps, like maybe there's some things that you have to close out. Maybe there's some subscription you didn't realize you still had. So that's one of the things that we provide. And then, so your payment history, capacity, amount owed, length of credit, and new credit inquiries and types of credit all affect your credit score. So I'm going to go to here. Oops. There we go. Hang on a second. Let's share my screen here. That's what I want right there. Okay, so these are the things that we provide here to help you build your credit. But first, I want to do this one. I want to do this. So how is your credit score calculated? Well, 35% of it goes into your payment history. That's on-time payments versus delinquencies in the last 24 months. And 30% of it goes to the capacity and amount owed. So that's your amount of credit and then what you owe on it. So this percentage of credit limits available. 15% of your credit score is from length of credit. So how long you've had your accounts. 10% goes to new inquiries, number of inquiries, and new accounts opened in the last 12 to 18 months. And then 10% goes to types of credit, installment loans versus revolving amounts owed. So that's how it's broken down and how they figure out what your credit score is. And then this is the services that we provide to try to fix that. Budgeting, credit restoration, credit builder, credit attorney, credit monitoring, debt payoff, financial lockbox, identity monitoring, net worth, savings goal, will and trust, YFLA family mint, and Rocket Lawyer. Now this will and trust is only for agents, and then the YFLA is youth financial learning, and a portion of your commissions and renewals go toward that. And then the Rocket Lawyer you get after being an agent for 1 year. So if you think that this is a platform that you would like to work with to restore your credit and perhaps, make some income as well, I have the links in the comments down below. And then if you liked this video, you can go ahead and give it a like. And if you want to see some more financial educational videos like this one, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I want to do this every Monday. And so I'll see you next week.